Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Isabella's Kitchen, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, aren't we? Because we're not baking anything, we're not cooking anything, we're going to be making something that we can use in our kitchen. Today we're going to be doing silicone moulds, but we've got some very special ones we're going to be doing. So what are we going to be making today then? What silicone mould are we going to make today?
Silicone hand.
A silicone hand? Yes we are. Whose hand? My hand, your hand. Your hand?
Not that hand.
Not that hand. My hand?
Two hands.
2 hands. Yeah, so we're going to be making a silicone mould of Daddy's hand. So to do this, we're going to be using contractor silicone. Now you'll find this in any hardware store that you go into. If you can't find it, just ask somebody for silicone cork or silicone. And it's used for going around bathtubs, around kitchen sides, retains its flexibility when it's dried, so it's absolutely perfect for what we're going to be using it for. So we're going to be using this and cornstarch. And we're going to be mixing the two of them together. And then we're going to be, it's not chocolate.
Chocolate hand.
Oh, we're going to make a chocolate hand, that's right, yeah. And we're going to mix them together.
Chocolate.
Going to apply it to my hand.
Leg.
Oh, leg as well? Get off! Get off!
Chocolate leg. Chocolate leg.
Chocolate feet?
No, chocolate leg.
Should we do your head?
No. A hand.
A hand. High five.
A fingers.
Ah. So we're going to do my hand. So we've got our contractor silicone. We've cut the end off it and we've put it into one of these guns. I don't know what they call, but we've put it into one. Now what we're going to do is, for every one portion of this, we're going to be doing double the portion of cornstarch. Squirt this in.
Chocolate.
Is it chocolate? You don't want to eat this?
Can I try?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Wow.
Squeeze! That's it.
Me.
You want to go? Go on. Squeeze!
That's enough.
That's enough? Okay.
Now can we chocolate?
So we squirted it in. We're going to put our cornstarch in. Shake! A wibble, wibble, wibble. A wibble, wibble, wibble. A wibble, wibble, wibble. So we're now going to be adding the cornstarch.
Chocolate.
Okay guys, so who wants to mix this? You want to mix it? And then Thomas have a go? Come here.
Me.
That's it.
It's enough.
That's enough. I'm back and have a go. Oh, you're so nice. That's it.
That's enough.
Okay guys, so it's all mixed together. That was absolutely disgusting, wasn't it? That's the most horrible smell I've ever smelled since your mummy's bum. That was horrible. I had to take it outside, so really, I can't stress enough, make sure that an adult handles basically all of this. I would advise that if you're making... You dropped your biscuit, oh no. If you're making a regular mould, which is where you will be pushing an object into the mould and you're not going to be touching it with your skin or anything, and obviously a child is welcome to do that, but any contact with the silicone, make sure that an adult does all of this, okay guys? So, to be on the extra safe side, we have got non-toxic silicone, there's nothing harmful in it, but I would advise that if you're going to have any kind of prolonged skin contact, you wear one of these. So we've got a rubber glove on. What we're going to do is, we're going to position the hand in the shape we want. Do you want to bend my fingers? Do we want this one down there? Oh, perfect. How about that one? Like that? Like that? Perfect. So we're going to be doing it in this shape, and then I'm just going to cover the glove, make sure that it's all got a nice even cover on it, and then we're going to be letting it set. Now we have got fast setting silicone, but when they say fast setting, I do think they mean around 3 to 4 hours. So we've got a lot of waiting time, but it's got to be worth it. Okay, so I'm going to start applying this now to my hand, and I'll be back with you in a minute.
Hello? Push, push, push. I am Thanos.
Okay guys, so as you can see I've covered my entire hand. I'm just going to keep my fingers in the position that I want them just for around an hour or two, and I'm going to see from the outside if it's started to hold its shape. If it has, then I'm going to try and pull my hand out. If not, I'll leave it in for another hour or so. So we'll see you in 2 to 3 hours. Okay, see you in 2 to 3 hours. Bye! Okay guys, so it's been around 2 hours. What are you doing? It's been around 2 hours. It's started to set a little bit. It's still leaving imprints if I squeeze it, so it's not done enough to put anything inside it. But I think we're going to get away with taking it off now, because Daddy's got some chores to do, hasn't there? I can't just be lazy all day and keep this on as an excuse. How can I? We're going to try and take it off, and it's either all going to go completely wrong and I'm going to scrunch it up and throw it in the bin, or it's going to be absolutely perfect, so we'll see now. Now I'll put this band on here just to keep the wrist closed and in a nice little shape there, because it was sticking to the rubber glove and it was flopping out, so it was making the wrist look a bit too big. So I'm going to try and get that off first of all.
How can you get that?
And now's the big moment.
Finger. Oh my goodness, what are you doing?
Can't get my hand out. It's coming.
I'm so scared.
Hey! Now I need to get the rubber glove out. Thumbs out.
I like Thomas today.
One finger's out. Another finger's out. Another. Hey! Hey! So obviously, it's gone well so far, but the big test is going to be when we put chocolate in this and try and get the chocolate out. Okay, so we're going to leave this to harden up a little bit for around 9 to 12 hours, and then we're going to give it a really good wash out. And I mean a really good wash, because you don't want there to be any residual silicone in there. You don't want that getting on your chocolate, so we're going to be giving it a really good wash out in around 9 to 12 hours, and then we'll come back to you when we put the chocolate inside. So we'll see you then. Bye! Okay guys, so it's been over 12 hours. We've made sure that it's set. Like I say, you'll know if it's ready to use if you squeeze and it starts to bounce back. That means it's not taking any new forms and it's set, so it's going to keep its shape. I'm going to show you now what we've done is we've melted the chocolate down. I'll show you how we've done that. So basically what we've done is we've tempered the chocolate. The reason you want to do this when you're using moulds is just to get that nice solid chocolate. It's not going to be brittle, it's not going to have these streaks in it or turn grey. It's going to have a nice colour to it, it's going to have a nice shine to it. You won't see that with ours because obviously we use the latex glove, so it's going to have the shape of that, it's not going to look very shiny or nice, but it will hopefully help it be a little bit stronger, so the fingers aren't going to snap off. So I'll show you how we've done that now. Okay guys, so obviously we've poured it into the mould and we've put it into the fridge. We've kept it in there for a couple of hours to make sure that it's nice and solid. And we're hoping that the fingers aren't going to snap off. Now, we've made a decision, haven't we, that we're not going to try and pull it out of there because I think that's going to be a disaster. So we're going to try cutting down it, which we're going to do now, and we're going to see if we can get it out.
Where are they?
Now make sure that if you're using scissors, that you're always supervised by an adult. Okay guys, we've finished pulling it off. We're ready to show you what we've made. And here it is. Now, there are some little black bits of silicone on there. All you need to do to get that off, if you just get a knife and just kind of scrape along the black bits like you're whittling wood. Just carve away the pieces until you get it a nice smooth shape. Okay, so we've got a surprise coming in one of our future episodes. So if you tune in for our episodes next week, we're starting our Halloween episodes, and this is going to be part of one of our very, very special episodes, and we can't wait to show you what we're going to do with it. So as always, thank you so much for watching another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. We've got new episodes every Tuesday and Thursday, but we are going to have some more episodes in between coming up, so make sure that you click subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get a notification every time we bring out a new episode. Make sure you check us out on Instagram. It's isabellas.kitchen.adventures. And if you send us your pictures of your silicone moulds or anything else you've made, it's a really good chance that you might get your picture shown in one of our future videos. So we're going to go and put this in the fridge. We're going to wrap it in cling film just to make sure that it stays protected from the cold until we're ready to use it. So, ready to eat it. Nom 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 nom. So thank you very much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!